Welcome to the Travel Man channel. In this video, we're heading out of Melbourne and into the peaceful forests of Noojee, a small town in Victoria surrounded by rivers, tall trees, and deep valleys. This is a place where nature takes the lead and time seems to move a little slower. Noojee sits on the edge of the Gippsland region and has long been shaped by its natural surroundings. As we leave the city behind, the drive begins to change. Traffic fades away, the air feels cooler, and tall trees start to line the road. Each bend pulls us further into the forest, and the noise of everyday life slowly disappears. Rising higher, the view opens up. Hills roll gently across the land, rivers wind through valleys, and thick tree canopies stretch in every direction. Noojee feels remote yet welcoming, shaped more by nature than by human activity. This region later became known for timber work in the late 1800s, when settlers arrived and built the town around sawmills and rail lines. Much of Noojee's early growth came from the surrounding forests, which played a major role in Victoria's timber industry. Today, the town feels quiet, with nature once again taking center stage. From above, rivers carve their way through the land, reflecting light as they pass through shaded valleys. These waterways have always been important, both to the Aboriginal people who first lived here and to those who later settled the area. Long before roads and towns existed here, this land was cared for by Aboriginal people who lived closely with the rivers, forests, and seasons. These landscapes provided food, shelter, and connection, and the respect for the land still feels present today. From above, the road cuts through dense bushland, surrounded by layers of green. The car moves quietly through the landscape, small against the scale of the forest. It's a reminder of how large and untouched this area still feels. The sound of flowing water and the surrounding trees create a calm atmosphere without effort. The camping areas are free for visitors. The area is practical and well suited for visitors, with basic facilities like toilets and places where you can cook or use a grill. Finding the right spot takes a little exploring, but once you do, it feels natural to slow down and stay a while. As the day passes, the forest changes with the light. Shadows move across the ground, leaves shift in the breeze, and everything feels balanced. It's the kind of place where being still feels just as meaningful as being active. Morning brings a fresh sense of calm. Birds move through the trees, the river continues its steady flow, and the forest feels alive in a gentle way. Walking nearby reveals quiet riverbanks and open areas where you can sit and take everything in. Hidden within the forest are some of Noojee's most well-known natural features. A peaceful walk through tall trees and fern-filled paths leads to Turango Falls, where water flows steadily over rock faces into the river below. Not far away, Amphitheater Falls offers another calm scene, surrounded by thick greenery and the sounds of the bush. The walk to these waterfalls feels unhurried. The forest closes in gently, the air stays cool, and the sound of water grows stronger with each step. It's easy to imagine how long people have been moving through this land, guided by nature rather than signs. Whether it's walking through the forest, camping by the river, or learning about the area's past, Noojee offers a peaceful escape that feels genuine. It's a place shaped by nature, history, and respect for the land. Walking through this area, it becomes clear how closely life here has always been tied to the land. Not far from Noojee, there's also a local trout farm that reflects the area's long connection to water and land. Set in open countryside, it's a relaxed place where people can spend time outdoors and enjoy the surroundings at an easy pace. From the air again, the forest appears endless. The treetops form soft waves across the hills, broken only by rivers and small clearings. The quiet beauty of Noojee feels steady and grounding. Camping in this area is simple and relaxed. Open spaces near the river make it easy to find a spot and settle in. Even today, the landscape feels like it sets its own rules, encouraging people to move gently and pay attention to their surroundings. As the journey comes to an end, the forest stretches out once more, calm and wide. Rivers continue their quiet paths, trees stand tall, and everything feels settled. Noojee leaves a lasting impression, not through noise or crowds, but through stillness and space. Thank you for joining this journey through Noojee. If you enjoyed this escape into nature and history, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel. Keep exploring, and I will see you in the next adventure.